Hello friends, welcome to your channel Technology Transforming, and thank you very much for supporting us. You guys are supporting us in terms of giving more subscriber, more like, and you are watching our uh, all the series. Thank you very much for that. And if you are new here, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, and just like and share our videos to your friends and family, so we can we can give you more and more informations regarding your technology and technology updates. Okay, we already if you are new here, I would say you just go to our channel, and we make already lot of videos where it's from basic computer, how it will be operate, what is the computer function, many functions we can cover here in all these videos. Even we can cover how your computer can perform, if your computer is slow, how you can put all the commands. And we have covered paint series. We have covered already ms word, ms word complete, how you can use ms word as a personal and professional use, and many more things. You can go into our playlist. Our playlist is already there, and our channel is both English and Hindi, so you can whatever language you like it, you just see from our channel. Okay, so friend, we'll start our today's session, and I already make you some details, you know. So I already make you some details readily available with me, and this detail will show you how we are working in the Excel. So I have just taken some data, and in this data I have make some school name, it's ABC, and I have some 10 students, and I have put already some marks, and we'll do remaining things this in this session. Okay, so this session, first of all, we'll do formatting and all. Before that, I will just zoom this thing, so you will get clearly. And this zoom thing, we already told about this, from where you can get this column unnecessary, we don't want, so we can delete this column. I already explained to you in session 2. So we'll delete this column, and first we'll deal with this. So what we'll do, we'll select this full, we'll go into home, and we'll go into merge and center. Here it's merge and center. So once what happened, it will come into the center, and all the columns are merged, so it's in between in center. Then here is basically center, and this will be align, middle align. So we'll click this, and we'll increase this font as per your requirement, and we'll do this bold, we'll do this italic. If you want, we can fill this with color. So this formatting is done. Then what happened, this I already make it 1 2, so 1 and 2 is there. So what we'll do, we'll drag this to here. You see, if we are, what we did just this plus sign will come, you just drag with mouse, so this will automatically the numbers will come. Okay, and here there are something we can't see, what is this, this is full or not, how it is. So what we'll do, we can just select this, okay, and go here and put web text. Once we do web text, you see all these things already come, like whatever it's there, and this column is already take his space whatever he wants. So what happened, then what we'll do, again we'll do this, okay, and we'll just increase these things. Okay, this may be not required that much, this also not required. Okay, roll number we can put small, and rest I think it's okay. Okay, so this already you understand how we make it. We can take this little bit, yeah. Okay, so this is already done. We can fill this with a different color. Okay, right now I'm just putting like this, so I'm just put this color. Then here again roll number, what we can do, roll number again we'll go, this plus sign will come again, this is till roll number is also there. I just take some random name, Ajay, ABC. I don't put particular name, I just take some numbers, Ajay maybe whatever it is, Anita whatever it is, so I just put ABC XYZ is, I always use the name like this. Okay, now what happened, we already put some marks. So what we'll do, we'll just do total of this. So I already explained to you in session 2 what is the ways of adding this. So we can add either this, so you can get some here, or we can do like individually plus, then plus E4, then plus F4, then plus G4, then plus H4, like this. This is the way, but if we do this way, it is taking too much time. So what we'll do, we have here auto sum, or we do I already explained to you about formula sum, then this cell to this cell, right, and bracket. We get it. Once this get it, again go to plus and drag it. You will get all the marks, right? Then we have total 5 subjects, so out of 500, this is the 500. Okay, once this is 500, you just what you do, you have to copy and select these all cells and paste. I think you are getting my point, and it's easy, right? If you are not getting any point, you can just comment us, we are not getting any point, or we want to understand more, so we can or you want to know separately, so we can make separate video for that also. Then percentile is generally what we will suppose we have, what happened, out of marks means 500 and we are getting 388. So 388 is percentage of 500, right? So what is the percentage of 388 of from 500? So what is that? You have 3 again percentile, how you do? You do this into 100 divided by this, right? So this will come 77.6 percentile. But if you see, I will delete this. Here is the percentage sign. Okay, you just click this percentage. Okay, so now what happened, you just 388 divided by, and rest it will take care, the percentage will take care, into 100 it will take care. Okay, because it's percentage, we put as percentage, right? And if you want decimal in places, so you can do decimal in places. Then what you do, this is done, you drag it. Okay, now you get all the percentage of all the students. That's why this is the Excel. We have to do put hard work on one time, then you will get result, whatever columns, whatever it's there. So that's why its computer is here, and computer is making our job easy. So we have to understand on this way. So basically computer is working for us, we are not working for computer. We have to give him command, he is accepting those commands and giving us result. Okay, then what we have average already we do, so we'll put formula again. Okay, average this to this, right? And this, generally in this average and percentile is coming same, because it's like from 500 marks and it's 5, so it's same. But generally average we can use, we already give lot of example of average in last session. So average basically, if more column and numbers, the average will be same. So if we are say the guy Ajay is get 77.6 out of this average, so his lowest is what, 60, highest is what, 89, so 77.6 is its average. Okay, and drag again all the student average, you will get it. You got it. This is easy, it's fun, huh? Okay, minimum, again we have minimum, and minimum you what subject is Ajay got minimum, so you again command minimum and then select the particular his subject, and it's done. Again it's drag and done for all. It's beauty of Excel, you have to do one time and then all the things formula can do. Okay, then maximum, again max, and you have to select this and bracket up, close. Once you did, okay, his maximum is this. But generally in this is the horizontal. We don't want horizontal, we want to understand the class. In this class, the student who got minimum and who got maximum, if you are teacher, right? So what you will do, you put here minimum, sorry, minimum, and next you put maximum. Okay, so in the next class, means the class, you just put here minimum out of this. Okay, and same way all the subjects, maximum bracket and this. Okay, and this you will get all the maximum. So now 49, who is the 49? So you can do 49 is this guy, right, Bunty. So you can get that 49. So 49 will be here. 93 is the Sumit. So you can get highest who is in Hindi, who is in English, math, science. So you can get this. So I hope you understand this all. This is easy, right? And now we'll do some formatting of this. So what we'll do, I will put here, and I will go to table. Here you can click and you can put all borders. So this will looks like this. Then I think this is done. You can change this color because this maybe you required to know to your students, so you can do this more color. Okay, and this you can do like board, you can do with the red color, so you can come to know what is the out of total how many will be total. So you can do this, and whatever you want to do you can. I think we did not cover this with the borders, so we'll put this, and now your this Excel sheet is ready to use, right? So if you understand this, now what will happen, suppose you want to see okay, before that, okay, right now I will go to print. You see this is something, half is coming in this, half is coming in others. So what you will go back, and first you will go to view. Okay, view and page break preview. Here page 1, page 2, we want page everything in page 1, but again if we put page 1, okay, you just go normal and go to print. It is very small, maybe once it will print it's very small. So what you will do, you will go to page layout and you will go to orientation and landscape, because our sheets looks like landscape, right? So now you will landscape, and you just go to again print. Now you see it is in landscape, but what you do page setup here, and you just put like right now adjusted into it is showing 68% fit 1 by 1. Once you will do this, it will take automatically all the things, and you will get this full things how it looks like. So I hope we cover all these things. Once we'll move ahead, I will make sure you are master in the Excel. Once you go with our sessions, so surely I would say thank you for your time, and thank you for watching. If you like our video, please like and share with your friends and family, and just subscribe our channel if you are new here, plus the bell icon, so you will get all the notification of our channel. Thank you for your time, thank you for watching.